Trevor Walker, President and CEO of Frontier Lithium. Thanks for joining me here in beautiful Geneva.
Pleasure to be here. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. Well, I want to talk, obviously, lithium prices with you. We saw the rally years prior. Can a comeback
take place? I think wholeheartedly there's another lithium cycle to take place. I think tomorrow's run will look a little different than yesterday's, in the sense that there's the softening was due to a few things. There's obviously softening with regards to a bit of anxiety on oversupply. There's an oligopoly in lithium, and the majors works hard and closely with analysts and basically stated the fact that they would turn on the taps and capture all of the increased demand. But fundamentally looking, we don't see that happening. There's challenges with regards to doing that. So we think there's another cycle. We believe that what's different is that it's time to separate the good assets from the bad.
Well, it's always a challenge, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So we think the top tier juniors are going to do very, very well, and we think there's a lot of room for great assets.
When you say there's an oligopoly, how difficult is it then to penetrate this market?
It's challenging. Lithium. Operating and producing lithium is not an easy task.
And I want to dig a little deeper there, because there's a big difference between mining lithium brine and lithium from rock.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Much more challenging to do lithium brine.
Absolutely. 60% of the world's supply derives from brine operations, high altitudes. In the Andes, so Chile, Argentina has been most of the supply. There's some political challenges, also some operational challenges in Chile, for example. Water's a real issue. So although the majors have made statements that they're going to capture all the increased demand, it's been very challenging for them.
So you're in the safe jurisdiction of Ontario.
Absolutely.
When do you expect to be in production?
Well, we would hope by 2022 to be shipping concentrates firstly from our asset. We take at Frontier, we've got a great asset. It's very high grade, and it's key differentiator from most hard rock assets is it's got very low impurities. The biggest culprit would be iron, and we have sub 0.1% iron oxide in our spodumene. So those are very, statistically, it's an outlier, very, very difficult to find. So we take a very cautious but confident approach to moving forward.
So biggest challenge you're facing right now?
Biggest challenge that we're facing right now is, of course, the markets have softened. That's taken a little bit of wind out of the sails for most companies. But we're handling it very well, given the fact that we run a very lean company. And we're very focused on staying focused on what needs to happen. The average investor is not shown a lot of interest as of late. But again, fundamentally, the fundamentals are there. The growth in the business is there. So we're starting to feel now that the sharp investors doing their homework are realizing that there's a great buying opportunity, again, for great assets.
Trevor, thanks so much for your thoughts. Good luck.
Thank you very much.